Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do something super exciting. One of our favorite tomatoes we're gonna plant. It's February, end of February, about February 27th, and we're gonna plant some tomatoes. We're in Southern California, so it's perfect timing. It's nice and sunny today. It's early in the morning, well, not early, it's almost lunchtime now, it's 11, but we're gonna plant one.
Yes.
And we only plant organic. So we're gonna show you a couple of things: how we plant it, and then how we're gonna feed this guy to give it the best shot to function and grow big and produce.
And make some fruit.
And make some fruit. Yeah, those tomatoes are fruits. All right. So first things first, right there at the bottom, we're gonna mix. Our soil is organic, but we're still gonna give it every year. We give it a little bit more. You can pick your brands. This is not. We're mixing some perlite because I need some better drainage. Then some Happy Frog, and then also some raised bed potting mix because it has some additional mixtures in. And that's the soil we're gonna mix a little bit in to get it started again. And next, what we're gonna do, we capture some rainwater in our watering can. We're gonna mix some azomite, some fish and kelp feed, it's liquid, and then some organic veggie mixes, and we put them in the rainwater right here in the watering can. We just stir it up, and that's our feed for the plant to get it going. All right, so nothing fancy. Sophia, you're gonna help me even if you don't have gloves. What you're gonna do, can you mix this? I put some perlite there and just mix it all in. We're gonna add some good soils here. Boom boom.
This is the most good soil for the plant.
Yes, it is amazing organic.
They love it.
They do. So perfect. Just a little bit. Our soil is very good, so it's not really a big deal. We can do really well with what we have. We just give it a little extra here. All right, let me get that so I can actually I have my own. Let's dig a little deeper. Perfect. This is a raised bed. It's in our retaining wall all the way down at the bottom of the hill, so it does have quite a bit of humidity for Southern California. All right, tips for those of you that love tomatoes but you don't know how to plant. My tips for you is put something next to it so it's gonna bring pollinators. This is Thai basil or Siam basil from last year. I also put some cilantro next to it because I want to have additional plants. You have pollinators here. Right, so you have some flowers. So it doesn't sit by itself. It has some companionship to do well. All right, that's one tip. The feed is the tip. The neighbors that sit next to the plant make it so. And then also importantly, you want to get rid of these little leaves, and you want to plant it all the way up to here because it's going to have an important big root. So let's do that.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's put it in, dig it deeper. Okay, and you're gonna bury it all the way half to the stem, all the way like that. Boom. Perfect. All right, and that will give it the best option to grow strong. It's gonna grow a strong plant, and it's gonna produce a lot. Big tomatoes.
Big tomatoes that are gonna be
this is the Early Girl, and it's not the best tasting, but for some reason, out of all my experiments, this does the best in my backyard, and that's the reason we do grow it. Another one, No Bias. I also love the San Diego, a smaller variety. It's also very good, and I don't have it handy with me. I looked for it, I didn't find it. It's the Sun Gold. So these are the three varieties we grow, and there's plenty with 3 tomato plants to feed us throughout the summer. All right?
Yeah.
We planted it halfway through. We mixed the soil.
And now let's water it.
Let's water. Take your hands off because this is a little stinky because it's got fish, feed, and a bunch of other stuff. What you want to do is water it really well in the beginning, and then also mulch the area. I don't have any handy mulch with me, but we'll mulch it right after so it maintains the humidity.
These tomatoes love it.
Yeah. So water it until it establishes really well, and then once it sets fruit, you can water it every other day or depending on your heat and humidity in the region. That's the magic, nothing fancy, right? So this is it. Plant something else next to it to have it, and it's gonna be a lovely, lovely plant. We may show you some progress later on, right? In a couple of months, in about 60 days, we'll show you where we stand. This should produce fairly well in about 75 days or so from planting.
Yeah.
So this is gonna, and it's in indeterminate variety, so it's gonna keep on growing. It doesn't stop. It's like a mini tree. It keeps growing. All right. Anything else, Sophia?
This is the most organic what's it called again?
You mean the yeah? That's
Yeah.
perlite. You can feed the plants. It's got minerals in it. But I think the most important thing is remember to eat clean, eat green,
Like and subscribe.
and give us a buzz. If you grow better tomatoes, holler. Let us know how you do. All right. Cheers.
Bye.